to destroy everything with one click. What's good, YouTube? Please, I will teach you guys how you can destroy everything, anything you build in a Fortnite map, just by clicking with one click in Fortnite. It's the latest version. This video is gonna be super simple and easy video. To start, what you have to do, you have to go to your island settings. Then once you're over here, you have to go to content. Then once you go to content, you have to search up button on your inventory. Then once you go back, you have to search up explosive. Then put this in your inventory too. Now you're just gonna go back. Then once you go back, you have to take your phone out, right? Once you take your phone out, click on one and just put it over here. So wherever you want your reset button is. So me, I want it over here. So one, I just put it over here. You're also gonna take out your explosive and you're just gonna put it over here. Boom. Now from here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your explosive, right? Then once you're over here, you have to turn this one off. You're gonna put this at 10. You're gonna put this one at spam 0, 0, 0, 0. Boom. And for the player damage instead of 50, you're just gonna put it at 0. You're gonna go in the second slot. You're gonna scroll down. And you're gonna put this at non. For play audio slash VX, you're gonna turn that off. For visible during game, you're gonna turn that off. Collision during games, you're gonna also turn that off. Show help bar, you're also gonna turn that off. Play audio should be down over here. You're also gonna turn that off. And you're all gonna go on this one right here. You're gonna click on add, click on device, button. On interact, it should be automatic. You're gonna scroll down till you see reset when receiving from that leg device button. Okay, done. Just put it over there. It should be good. It's not that big of a deal. All right, now what you have to do, you have to copy this, right? So you're just gonna pick this up and you're just gonna put it everywhere, but don't do too many because it might be a little laggy. So just spam a couple, put it over here, put a one over here too. I put one over here too, put one over here, and go up a little bit. Yeah, I think that's good. Just keep it like that. All right, once you do that for the explosive buttons, and you're just gonna come back over here and you're just gonna scroll down and you could do whatever you want. So for the interact text, you can put like subscribe to Instructify, just save it, boom, and there you go. All right, now if I start the game, so let's start the game right here. And once I'm in the game, I just do everything, boom, and build that spam build, whatever. Just go back down here and then click on where's the reset button. Oh, it's right here. Click on reset. Everything's just rating. So it's unlimited. You can like keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. Look, boom. And that's how you put the reset button in a 1v1 Fortnite map or any maps in general. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe.